Hey, how you doing? My name is Dr. Bruce Ebert, and I'm so glad that you've tuned in. This is our first shoot, and I hope that this is going to be the shoot of many. I'm both a clinical and forensic psychologist, and I'm a lawyer. And in my legal work, my primary focus is representing veterans. Today's brief talk is on why you should focus on hiring a veterans lawyer instead of using a veterans service officer or a VSO. So I have many nightmare stories, and there's briefly one that I want to tell you about, and this is just an example. I recently had a case, and my client went to a VSO. The VSO said, you cannot introduce evidence at a Board of Veterans Appeals hearing, right? You can't do it. She told him, you're going to lose. You're going to lose everything. You're going to lose all the evidence. You're just not going to be able to submit anything. You're not going to be able to make your claim successful. Well, I actually had to send her a letter saying, yes, you can do that. And then I sent her a letter saying, how would you like to come to our hearing in Oakland to watch me submit evidence that you say can't be done? Well, we went to the hearing. I submitted my trial binder. It was packed with evidence. And I was able to argue in front of the judge, brand new evidence, including new nexus layers that the VSO said you couldn't get into evidence. The judge heard it, took it into account. We are waiting for a decision, and I anticipate that we're going to get a favorable decision. So the point of that is that while VSOs do excellent work, a lot of times they get things wrong. And they are outstanding in that they can help you file a claim, they can help you file a request to have a rating increased from, say, 30% to 50%, but they cannot navigate the complex appeal system. At a recent conference I was at, the judges of the Court of Appeals for Veterans Claims said, this VA system is so complicated now that it does really require attorneys. And that's sad. It's really sad. I'm a disabled veteran myself, and I think it's sad that you have to have an attorney to navigate the system. But you do. And I hope that through these videos, we will be able to teach you important aspects of the VA system so that maybe you can help yourself, but don't get caught in some of the problems that my clients have been caught in. And today's problem is problems with VSOs. Thanks very much for tuning in.